The LAMPHUS ThunderWave 100W Siren Kit delivers strong, clear output with a compact speaker that is loud enough for demanding emergency and work environments. Its controller offers multiple siren tones, a hands-free air horn option, and radio rebroadcast, giving drivers flexible ways to get attention without fumbling with extra gear. I appreciate that the system includes a push-to-talk microphone with adjustable volume, which makes public address use clear and easy to manage from the driver's seat. The remote mount control unit saves valuable dash space and can be installed in several ways, so it works well in crowded cabins like pickup trucks, utility vehicles, and side-by-sides. Two 15-amp auxiliary light circuits built into the controller let you run warning or work lights directly from the same panel, reducing the need for separate switches and wiring. Customizable power-up behavior and backlit controls help the siren feel tailored to the vehicle, making it more intuitive to operate during real emergency responses.